Today I'm going to be talking about how to engage PTO, how to engage that PTO. This goes with Oilfield. Regarding Oilfield, it's not talking about anything else over the road. Oilfield PTO, how to engage that PTO. We're going to get into it right now. So as you can hear, I just turned on my tractor. I'm going to let it warm up, and then I'm going to show you what my PTO is going to engage. My pump in the back, which is located on my trailer. Let's go ahead and check it out. So whether you're in a water truck, you got a water pump on the back of your water truck, you're hauling water, you're hauling diesel, you are doing crude, you are doing some sand like pneumatic, like it doesn't matter if you're on a frac pump, okay, those who frac, right? It doesn't matter, the process of how to engage your system is going to remain the same. My PTO may look a little bit different, but the process on how to engage the PTO is all the same, but this is what we are wanting to engage. We engage the pump so we can go ahead and we engage the PTO so we can go ahead and run this operation here. As you can see, it's a standard, okay? This tractor is standard stick shift. So you got the 3 pedals here. So it may be a little bit different if you're in an automatic, but I'll explain that. It'll be easier actually. It's just a button. But you know, we're gonna use the clutch to engage the PTO here. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. And this is for people who are familiar with driving a tractor trailer. If you're not familiar with driving a tractor, I may be missing some steps, some things that you should already know. So this is not a step-by-step. This is for people who are in the oil field, who have oil field experience, who know how to drive a truck, things of that nature, okay? So this is not no beginners learning how to drive a tractor trailer one-on-one. That's not what this is. So your tractor is in park, all right? The tractor is on, it's gotta be on, but you're in neutral. So you're parked, air brakes are engaged, boom. I go ahead and got my tractor in neutral, right? My clutch is in neutral, everything's in neutral, transmission. All right, I'm gonna push down on the clutch. I'm gonna press on the brake just for precautionary measures. I'm gonna press down on the brake. I'm gonna put it in gear. I could put it on first gear. I can put it on second gear if it goes. All right, I can put it in any gear I want to, but I'm gonna put it in a gear. Then I'm gonna go ahead and reach over, engage the PTO. I'm gonna turn the PTO on. Clutch is pushed in. My gear is in, I've got it in gear, first gear. Engage the PTO. Let go. Get out of the gear. So go back to neutral. Let off the pedal, the clutch. And it's engaged. Okay? You can barely hear a difference because this one is quiet and smooth, but you can kind of tell that the PTO is engaged at this time. To turn it off, I'm gonna go ahead and depress, put it back into gear. Turn off the PTO, put it back into neutral. Go ahead and slowly release. And your PTO is disengaged and it's turned off. Believe it or not, there is a right and a wrong way to work this PTO system. So make sure that you are listening to your trainer, the operator who trained you, or the company policy to make sure that you are doing things right in the correct and safe way. If you appreciate content like this, you want to see more of it, make sure that you punch that like button. Make sure that you drop a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your feedback, if you've done it a different way, if you think that I've done something wrong, go ahead and comment. Just get the algorithm going. I'd appreciate that. And go ahead and watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you. I'd appreciate that as well.